Can Beethoven destroy cancer cells? The science behind music and healing? It sounds like science fiction, but it's real research. In Brazil, a scientist named Dr. Márcia Capella, from the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, set out to explore an unusual idea. Can music influence the growth or death of cancer cells? And the answer? Surprisingly, yes, at least in the lab. The experiment. Capella's team placed breast and prostate cancer cells in petri dishes and exposed them to different pieces of music for set periods. Among them was Beethoven's Symphony No. 5, Gyorgyligeti's Atmospheres, known for its eerie, dissonant textures. The result? After 30 minutes of exposure, up to 20% of cancer cells showed signs of apoptosis, programmed cell death. Even more intriguing, healthy cells were unaffected. Music somehow selectively disrupted cancerous cells' membranes or metabolic function. This finding was published in the scientific journal, Medical Express, and covered by outlets like Folha de S. Paulo and Jornal da USP in Brazil. Dr. Capella said, "We observed changes in cell structure, including fragmentation and bubbles, classic signs of apoptosis." What about other genres? The team didn't stop with classical music. They tested samba rhythms, funk music, even binaural beats and natural frequency harmonics. While none were as effective as Beethoven, some modern rhythms also triggered measurable changes in cell behavior. They're now trying to decode rhythm and frequency patterns that may hold therapeutic value, what they call bioacoustic signatures. But here's the catch. These studies were done in vitro, in a lab dish, not in the human body. There is no current evidence that listening to Beethoven can cure cancer in people. So, don't stop treatment or ditch your medicine. But this opens an exciting frontier in science. Could we one day use sound waves as a form of targeted therapy? Could musical frequencies be tuned like lasers or drugs? Some researchers think it's possible. After all, ultrasound is already used in some medical treatments. So, what music can do today? Even if we can't cure cancer with music yet, here's what's scientifically proven. Music reduces stress hormones, like cortisol. It lowers pain perception during chemotherapy, and it improves sleep, anxiety, and quality of life for cancer patients. A 2021 review in the Journal of Clinical Oncology confirmed music therapy's benefits across dozens of studies. Music isn't magic, but it is medicine for the soul.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Share it, because some stories are meant to be discovered together. And stay curious. I'll see you in the next chapter.